My name is Melanie. I am 18 years old. I live in a small town with my family. My family is very special to me. There are 6 people in my family: my father, my mother, my 2 sisters, my brother, and me. My father's name is Jack. He is strong and kind. He works hard every day to take care of us. He always tells us to be honest, to love one another, and to work hard. My mother's name is Sarah. She is loving and caring. She takes care of our home. She cooks delicious meals for us and helps us when we need her. She loves to see us happy. I am the first child in my family. After me is Amanda. She is 16 years old. She is smart and beautiful. She loves reading books and learning new things. My brother's name is Andre. He is 14 years old. He is very funny. He likes to play games and tell jokes. He always makes us laugh. The youngest in our family is Martha. She is 9 years old. She is playful and full of questions. She likes to sing, draw, and run around the house. We also have a dog. His name is Thor. He is big and strong. He loves to run and play with us. Sometimes he steals our food when no one is watching. We live in a small house. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 bathroom, and a living room. It is not very big, but it is warm, neat, and full of love. I love my family very much. We help each other, laugh together, and spend time together. Every day in our home starts early. My mom, Sarah, wakes up first. She likes quiet mornings. She makes herself a cup of coffee and starts preparing breakfast. Sometimes she listens to soft music while she cooks. After a while, she comes to wake us up. She gently knocks on our doors. Melanie, time to get up. Amanda, it's morning. Andre, let's go. Martha, good morning, honey. Sometimes Martha hides under her blanket and says, 5 more minutes, Mom. But Mom laughs and says, no way, school is waiting. We all slowly get out of bed. I help Martha brush her teeth and pick out her clothes. Amanda likes to fix her bed nicely. Andre is always the last to come out of his room. Mom finishes making breakfast. Sometimes it's pancakes with syrup, or eggs and toast, or cereal with fruits. The kitchen smells really good. We all sit together at the dining table. Daddy comes out ready for work. He drinks coffee and eats with us. After breakfast, Dad leaves for work. Mom helps Martha tie her shoelaces and packs her lunch. Then we grab our backpacks and head to school. At school, we all try to do our best. Amanda loves reading and drawing. Andre likes gym class and playing soccer with his friends. Martha is learning to read new words and write simple sentences. I enjoy writing stories and learning new things in class. After school, we come home. Thor, our dog, is always at the door waiting for us. He jumps and wags his tail. Mom usually gives us a snack, maybe cookies, fruit slices, or crackers. We sit in the living room and talk about how school went. In the evening, Dad comes home from work. We all shout, "Welcome home, Dad!" He hugs each of us and gives Thor a pat on the head. We eat dinner together. Sometimes we have pasta, burgers, or Mom's special chicken. We talk about our day and laugh at funny stories. Before bed, Mom prays with us. Dad reminds us again, always do your best, always tell the truth, and always look out for each other. Then we say goodnight and go to bed feeling loved. Dad teaches us to be honest, even when it is hard. He tells us that telling the truth makes us strong on the inside. Dad always teaches us to be patriotic by reminding us to appreciate our country, respect its values, and contribute to its growth in any way we can. He also tells us to work hard. He says nothing good comes easy. On weekends, Dad spends more time with us. Sometimes we clean the house together. Dad says a clean home shows respect for yourself and others. He teaches us small things, like how to fix a broken chair or how to save money. When Andre wanted to buy a new video game, Dad told him to save part of his pocket money each week. It took time, but Andre was so proud when he finally bought it himself. Dad also teaches us to care for one another. He says family always comes first. When Martha cries because of a small problem, Dad reminds us, be patient with her. She is still learning. He teaches us by what he says, but even more by what he does. Dad wakes up early every day to go to work. He never complains, even when he is tired. He hugs Mom in the kitchen and thanks her for taking care of us. He hugs us too and tells us, I am proud of you. Sometimes we sit together in the living room. Dad tells us stories about when he was young. He talks about his own father and mother. He tells us how they worked hard and loved their family. We laugh at some of his stories, but we also learn from them. Dad says, remember, no matter where you go in life, never forget where you come from. We all listen quietly. We want to remember his words forever. In my family, special days are very important. My mom always says memories last forever. We love to celebrate birthdays. On our birthdays, Mommy wakes up very early. She decorates the living room with balloons and birthday signs. She makes pancakes shaped like hearts or stars. Daddy always buys a small gift. He says it's not about the price, it's about the love. On my birthday, we invite my friends. We play music, eat cake, and dance in the living room. Mommy bakes chocolate cake because it's my favorite. Amanda loves her birthday too. She always asks for a new book. Andre likes video games, and Martha wants dolls or art sets. Daddy says be thankful for every year. Life is a gift. On Valentine's Day, Mommy makes heart cookies. She puts sweet notes in our lunch boxes like, I love you, you are special. Daddy buys Mommy flowers. He says, always show love, even in small ways. We also make cards for our friends at school. Halloween is always fun. We dress up in costumes. Last year I dressed as a cat. Amanda was a fairy. Andre was a superhero. Martha was a little pumpkin. Daddy walks with us around the neighborhood to collect candy. He reminds us to say, thank you, at every door. Mommy stays home to give candy to other kids. She tells us, be kind, share your candy, and stay safe. Christmas holidays are a time of joy and togetherness for our family. Every year, we decorate the house with twinkling lights, a big tree, and stockings hung by the fireplace. We love baking cookies together, especially gingerbread and sugar cookies, while Christmas music fills the air. On Christmas morning, we gather around the tree to exchange gifts, sharing laughter and warm hugs. It's a special time where we celebrate love, kindness, and the true meaning of the holiday. We also take time to reflect on the year gone by and express gratitude for all the blessings we've received. Whether we're enjoying a festive meal or just spending time together, Christmas always brings our family closer and fills our hearts with happiness. During summer, we take family trips. Sometimes we go to the beach. Other times we visit Grandma's house in another state. We pack snacks, games, and music for the road. Daddy tells funny stories as he drives. Mommy takes pictures of us. She says, one day you will look at these and smile. On vacation, we swim, play, and laugh a lot. Daddy also teaches us to be curious. He says the world is big, learn new things, meet new people, be kind everywhere you go. Mommy always reminds us to be grateful. She says, not everyone has what we have, love, family, and joy. I love these moments. They make me feel safe and happy. My family is not perfect. Sometimes we make mistakes, sometimes we argue, but Daddy and Mommy always teach us how to do better. Mommy teaches us to be kind and respectful. She says, always treat people the way you want to be treated. When we argue, Mommy makes us talk about it. She says, say sorry when you are wrong. Forgive when someone says sorry. I remember one day I broke Mommy's favorite plate. I was afraid to tell her. But when I did, she smiled and said, thank you for being honest. Things can break, but trust is what matters most. Another time, Andre got in trouble at school for fighting. Daddy sat him down and said, real strength is not in fighting. Real strength is walking away. Amanda once got a bad grade in school. She cried, but Mommy hugged her and said, it's okay to fail. What matters is that you try again. Even little Martha is learning these lessons. When she forgets to do her chores, Mommy gently reminds her, we are a family. We all help each other. These lessons help us every day. They guide us in school, with our friends, and even with strangers. We are learning that life is not just about fun and games. It is about being a good person, honest, kind, hardworking, and loving. That is what Daddy and Mommy want for us, and we are trying our best. Every special day in our family teaches us something new about love, kindness, and being together. Whether it's a birthday celebration, a quiet moment at home, or a fun family outing, we learn to appreciate the little things. It's the way Mommy lovingly packs our lunches, or how Daddy tells funny stories to make us laugh. That is what makes my family so special. It is not just the big moments, it is the little things too. The laughter at the table, the hugs before bed, the lessons we will never forget. These are the memories I will always carry in my heart. Even when life gets busy, when we're back to our normal days of school, work, and chores, we know one thing for sure. Love lives in our home every single day. The bond we share is strong and constant, no matter what. And I love and cherish my family deeply. They are my rock, my joy, and my greatest treasure. Through all the ups and downs, one thing is always certain. We will always have each other. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed the story and found it inspiring. Remember, every story is an opportunity to learn and grow. If you liked what you heard, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun English stories and lessons. Hit the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we post new content. Your support really means a lot to us. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.